Today I am going to discuss about classification of flower. In my previous class I already told you what is flower. Flower is the reproductive part of a plant, and I already told you what are the parts of a flower. One is essential part, another one is non-essential parts. What are the essential parts? Androecium and gynoecium, and non-essential parts or holes are calyx and corolla. Now we know about classification of flower. According to the shape and size of flower, flower are basically of two types. One is regular flower, another one is irregular flower. First we know about irregular flower. A flower in which one or more members of a whole differing from other members are known as irregular flower. Means here this flower is known as Oporajita flower. It is very common to us. When we see the petals of this flower, these petals are, each and every petals are completely different to each other. So this kind of flower is known as irregular flower. Means sepals and petals are of different shape and size. Another example is pea flower. Next, know about regular flower. Flower with all their flower parts are the same in size and shape. This flower is known as regular flower. For example, buttercup. This flower is known as buttercup. China rose also a regular flower. Look at this flower. All the floral holes like sepals, petals, all are same in size and shape. That's why when the flower, all the floral parts are the same size and shape, these flowers are known as regular flower. Next, we know about another classification of flower. It depends on sex of the flower. Flowers are of two types. One is unisexual flower, another one is bisexual flower. Flower with either the male part or the female part present, this flower is known as unisexual flower. Means in the unisexual flower, the flower bears only one of the essential organ, either male or female. In case of bisexual flower with both the male and female part present, these flowers is known as bisexual flower. Unisexual flower are of two types. One is monoecious plant, another one is dioecious plant. When male and female flower can be found on same plant, this is known as monoecious plant. Example, maize plant. When male and female flowers are born on separate trees, this is known as dioecious plants. Means male and female flowers found in different plant. For example, papaya plant. And when male and female flower found on the same plant, this is known as monoecious plant. Example, maize. Bisexual flower example is hibiscus, morning glory, string bean plant. So that's all about the classification of flower.